So today is the 14th of February, 2024, and we're looking at the micro ES right here. This is yesterday. Here's the NQ, which I like to see them going in correlation, but right here is the micros. Get a little better shot of it, I guess. It looks like it wants to go up. Now, yesterday I kept trying to trade it long because I just have that long bias, basically. Uh, Here's where the big short came down, and then it eventually turned around, but and then kept going down again. But here's where I feel I was making my mistakes was this red line is the 20, and this is the 200 moving average, and this is a 5-minute chart. It was way below the 200, and I kept trying to fight it to go long, and I just kept getting stopped out. So finally, I just threw the towel in. I said, "Okay, I'm not wasting any more money." And so I was done. And then at the end of the day, they had the last hour of the day is usually pretty strong sometimes, or usually whatever. I don't usually trade it unless it's got a really good signal, and I did not yesterday, but it did have a good signal to go long. So now I'm in the pre-market. I usually like to wait till 5 o'clock in the morning, but my dog got me up early this morning, and I just turned it on, and everything was looking bullish, along with the NQ, which was kind of leading the way, which I like to see. And I'm uh, I'm long three contracts in the micros right now. I had this little bull flag. It's really just a good looking trade. So I got long right here at 84.25, and we're up about 375 right now points, and that's it. Right now, the Nasdaq looks like it's leading the way to go up. That could change, I know that, but right now I'm just going to kind of hold what I got and just see what happens. So I've got a sell order in up here at oh 04, right in that area. That'll give me 20 points. So doesn't mean it's going to make it up there, but I just went ahead and stuck it there because book map is showing there's liquidity up north. So we got it at 90, 94, uh, 98. So there's a lot of liquidity up going up. So I'm just going to hold what I got, like I said, and we will see what happens. So I'm going to pause it and come back. I just wanted to show the book map what it's looking like right now. And these orders that are sitting at 49.90, and we're 88.50 right now. Uh, CVD, which is cumulative volume delta, is in the positive right now. So it looks like it wants to go on up. It's everything is pointing to the upside. We got all these orders up here at 97, 93 or 94, somewhere in there. Yeah, probably 94. Uh, Let me see if we got, and the reason I just put my order at 504, that's 20 points away. That was just kind of a placeholder. I may bring it down and get in when if the action gets up here. We'll see. But that's my strategy. These are my trading notes. This is for me to go back and watch. I publish them, but if anybody else gets something out of them, that's great. I just publish them for myself because it's easy just to go back and look at what I was thinking because I'm talking through what I'm thinking right now, why I put on a trade, and why it was a good idea or a bad idea. But right now, I mean, it goes with my plans, so that is why I put the trade on this morning. So I will pause it right now and come back if something else comes up. All right, so I took profit. I got out after when it started kind of hesitating right here and started kind of going down a little bit. The NQ broke that little low right there, so I just figured it could go on back down. Who knows? Maybe find a little support area and then come back up. But what I'm thinking right now is I'll put an order in above this high right here, this little bull flag going out. So and then my risk would be from here, where if it goes up there, it would be from here to wherever finds a little base right there. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll put another 3 in it there, and I just wanted to get some profit in. It took 90 bucks in 4 accounts, so we'll come back. All right, so I just waited for that candle to close outside of above that bull flag line, and because main reason was I'll get in a little bit, but 91 down the stop loss was so small, 89 to 91 was 2 points. So I don't think I'm going to risk anymore. I'm just going to take this order off. Let's just see what happens here. All right, so I just added I mean, 3 more contracts on the micro. Um, it's still in a bullish mode until it breaks below that low, which it could. But here's the NASDAQ over here. It's still looking like it wants to go up. Doesn't mean it will, but I have my stop below the 20. So I'm down 50 cents right now. I'm in at 91 on both of them, or on all 6 of them at a cost. And I like the way the DMI is looking right here. Now the MACD has crossed to the downside already, but the DMI is kind of turning like it wants to keep going up. So that's my strategy right now. I'll wait and see what happens here. All right, so here's my strategy. I'm long 3 micros, or 6. I'm sorry, right here, 6. And I've got another buy order to go in above that little high right there. I'll buy 3 more if it breaks above to continue on up, because here's the NQ, looks like it wants to go up. The book map, let's look at that, where the orders are. All of them are up here to the north. So I could get stopped out, I realize that. But that's my strategy right now, and we'll see what goes on here. Okay, so I am long 12 contracts now in the micros. Excuse me. And the NASDAQ is moving to the upside, so that's what I'm kind of based it on. So I got in at the market one more time earlier before I bought that on the stop. Let me start. I'm watching the book map right now, and all the liquidity, you should bring it over here, like up around 97, 98 area. Oh, yeah, 375 orders, 97.50. I've got one take profit so far at the 96.75. So we'll see if it can get up there. I may take another one off. I don't want to get greedy here. So I'll come back and give an update. Okay, I got out quick. I saw the NASDAQ dropping like a rock. So I went in and just canceled my orders and I got out. Now let's just see if it breaks the low. See if I made the right choice. I was originally had my order to get out at 89 or 88.75. It's at 89.50. Maybe I got out too soon, but I see that all too often it follows the NASDAQ. So at least right now it has been. So yeah, I think I made the right choice. That's a strong candle down. I don't know why. Something, let's see, it's 6:02 in the morning. I mean on uh, I don't think any news. I was watching news and nothing was really coming out. So something sparked the sell off for the Nasdaq, which made everything's still pointing up. I don't know why it did that. Let's see if it holds. And that doesn't mean I may get back in above these highs. We'll just wait and see. So let me pause it. All right. So after a few little mishaps, I was up a little bit and I continued to get long. Excuse me. And because of all the book map stuff was showing, all the liquidity was up high, and it stopped me out. I was down about 20 bucks and $25, something like that, in each account. And then It actually gave a short signal, but I said, no, it's above the VWAP. It's above the 200 moving average. I'm not going to fall for that. I used to fall for that all the time, but I did not sell short. I waited for it to move back up. It crossed that trend line right there. The NASDAQ was doing the same thing. And then, like I said, I really looked at Bookmap for kind of what's going on. And the liquidity was still up here. And 98 had a lot. So I got out at 98 just now. And I am up 76 bucks before commissions. So I'm going to hold off for now. It's still pre-market. It's only 7:11 in the morning. So I'm going to kick back, drink some more coffee, maybe take a nap. I don't know. We'll see. So I'll come back if I get back in, or I'll just wrap it up and I'll sign off at that time. Well, I traded today and in and out, in and out. Made some losses, made some gains. Up 110 today before it was the commission. So I am done. I hope you had a good trading day, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks.